What will you order, Hira?
I will eat pasta and you?
I'll order steak.
All right. Bismillah.
Oh, Jazakillah, Hira, for reminding me. I forgot to say Bismillah.
Asma, I think you also forgot that as a Muslim, it's not allowed to eat with left hand.
Yes, I know that. We do not use the left hand for any good action.
It is established from the Sunnah of the beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that he would use his blessed right hand to eat food, drink, water, and other acts such as these, and he would also encourage others to do so also. Similarly, Sayyidina Jabir, may Allah be pleased with him, mentioned that the noble messenger of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam stated that do not eat with the left hand.
Yes, you are right, but what if I am left-handed or accustomed to be eating with my left hand?
Someone is left-handed or has become accustomed to be eating with his left hand, he should train himself to eat and drink with his right hand. It is not deemed as an excuse to not train oneself in this matter. One should develop a habit of eating or using right hand.
May Allah Almighty give us the tawfiq to carry out every good and permissible action with the right hand.
Ameen. As you know that the left hand is known as the hand of the devil. The left hand is used to clean private parts. Moreover, left hand is for using the toilet and anything that is dirty.
Jazakallah for telling and explaining me so well. Many people pointed me out, but nobody guided me in this way. From where did you get all the information, Hira?
Ma told me all these things.
MashaAllah. Do you know more about this topic, Hira?
Yes, I know one hadith that motivates not to use left hand. It is narrated that a man ate with his left hand in the presence of Messenger of Allah. Messenger of Allah said, "Eat with your right hand." Man said, "I cannot." Messenger said, "May you never be able to," for nothing was preventing him from doing so but arrogance. He could never raise to his mouth again.
Allahu Akbar. I feel scary.
Don't be afraid. Just remember this. Inshallah, your habit of using right hand for good actions will be developed.
Inshallah and Jazakillah.